This is David Lawrence with the Alabama Cooperative Extension System, and today we're going to talk about controlling tarnished plant bugs in strawberry production. Tarnished plant bugs, or you may sometimes hear them referred to as lygus bugs, can cause significant reductions in strawberry production if not properly controlled. And so why are lygus bugs attracted to strawberries? Well, they feed on the small seeds of immature strawberry fruits. And by doing this, they cause cat facing or misshapen fruit, and typically we see that misshapen fruit associated near the tip of the fruit, but we can see it across the whole fruit. So let's look a little bit at what this damage looks like. And here we'll see plant bug damage when we compare it to poor pollination. Poor pollination also causes that misshapen cat face type fruit. How we differentiate these two are the size of the seeds. Poor pollinated fruit will have different size seeds, while plant bug damaged fruit will have uniform seeds, as you can see on the right there. But at the tip of that fruit, we see the cat facing, the misshapen fruit, and that is a sign of plant bug damage. So once you see this type of damage, you need to determine whether plant bugs are actually causing the damage or not. And so to do that, we will sample. And just like we sample for many other insects, we can use a beat sheet, so a white colored sheet, or even just a sheet of paper underneath the plants. And we shake the plants, beat the plants, and determine which insects fall on that sheet. Typically, these insects are going to seek cover during the warm parts of the day. So midday, they're really hard to find unless you're using something like a beat sheet. Early mornings, you may be able to find these insects up near the top of the plant or out on the fruit feeding. So if you're just going out for a visual inspection, early morning is the best time to do that. A little bit of cultural control you want to manage for a lot of these broadleaf weeds. I'm going to do another video on weed management in strawberry production, so look for that. But just managing these alternate hosts, some of the henbit, asters, legumes, a lot of the broadleaf weeds that we typically see early springtime, that just provides, that's an attractant for these insects and provides them a place to hide during our sprays. So managing those row middles and the surrounds of your field is a good cultural practice. And then chemical control, these are the 4 products that are recommended for chemical control. Danitol and Brigade, the 2 bottom ones there, both pyrethroids, have some control, but I would lean more toward the Transform and Ryman when trying to control these insects. Can really cause a lot of damage if you don't get ahead of them. So you'll see a little bit better control with Transform and Ryman from what we've seen. Of course, pay attention to the pre-harvest intervals if you're during the harvest season. And anytime you're spraying pyrethroids, you always open up yourself to a flush of spider mites. So just if you're spraying anything broad spectrum like pyrethroids, just be sure to pay attention and scout for those spider mites. There's my contact information. If I can help you or anybody else with the Cooperative Extension System, please reach out to us and we'd be happy to help.